Hi, Gus. Gussie absolutely loves his sister. Where's your sister? There she is. Julia, where's Gussie? Where's your brother? Say, here's Gussie. There's Gussie. There he is. Where's your sister? Where's Julia? Where's Julia? Can you say Julia? There she is. Julia. Where's Gussie? There he is. Where's Gussie? Where's Gussie? There he is. Gussie. Can you say Julia? That's good. That was very good. Julia, can you say Gussie? That was good too. Excellent job. Can you say Mama? You said Mama? Hey, Gussie, your turn. Can you say Mama? Gussie. Gussie. Gus. Gus. Can you say Mama? Say Mama. Can you say no? Gussie, do no. Hey, do no. No. You do. Say no. Gus. Gus. Do no. No, 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 no. You do. I know. Gussie, can you say Dada? Julia, can you say Dada?
Dada.